Let's be real. If you have a cat, you're constantly fighting the smell. I got tired of walking into my house and immediately knowing exactly where the litter box was. So I went out and bought 5 of the most popular boxes on the market to see which ones actually kill the stink. Here's what I found after living with them.
Product number 1. WoofieGo Enclosed Stainless Steel Cat Litter Box. When I first pulled the WoofieGo out of the box, the first thing I noticed was the weight. It's got this heavy-duty stainless steel base that feels like it's gonna last forever. I'm done with plastic boxes that get those tiny scratches where bacteria and smells just live forever. This metal pan is a total shift. It's cold, smooth, and honestly, nothing sticks to it. I put this in a corner with my biggest cat, and the XL size is no joke. He's about 15 pounds and had plenty of room to do a full 360-degree turn without hitting the walls. Speaking of walls, the 13-inch height is a lifesaver. If you have a high-aiming cat like mine, you know the struggle of urine leaking through the cracks of 2-piece boxes. The way the ABS plastic lid snaps onto the metal base here feels really secure. I didn't see a single drop on my hardwood floors. The little tracking pedal on the front is a nice touch too. It caught a good amount of the stray grains before my cat could haul them across the rug. Cleaning it was the easiest part. I just tipped the old litter out, gave it a quick wipe, and it looked brand new. No lingering ammonia smell at all. If you're tired of scrubbing plastic and want something that literally cannot absorb odors, this is the one you want. It's a solid buy-it-once kind of product.
Product number 2. Apero XL Enclosed Stainless Steel Litter Box. The Apero feels very similar to the WoofieGo at first glance, but I noticed a few clever design tweaks while I was setting it up. It comes with a full kit, a mat and a metal scoop, so I didn't have to go hunting for accessories. The stainless steel base is just as sturdy, but what really caught my eye was the 30-degree angled filter plate at the exit. In my testing, this made a huge difference for litter tracking. My cat tends to bolt out of the box like he's being chased, and usually that sends litter flying. That angled plate actually forced him to slow down and knocked the grains off his paws before he hit the floor. The sealing on this one is also tight. I checked the seams every morning, and even with a cat who likes to pee right against the wall, everything stayed inside the stainless steel pan. The mat they include is that honeycomb style, which I've always liked because you can just pour the trapped litter back into the box. It's a small detail, but it saves money over time. The metal scoop is also way better than those flimsy plastic ones that bend when you're digging. If you're looking for a complete starter pack that solves the tracking problem along with the odor, the Apero is a great pick. It feels very thought out for people who hate sweeping their floors every 2 hours.
Product number 3. Lobave Stainless Steel Litter Box with Lid.
The Lobave is a bit of a beast, and I mean that in a good way. It's taller than the others, standing about 17 inches high. When I was putting it together, I realized it has a front entry, top exit setup. This is a big deal if you have a dog that thinks the litter box is a snack bar. My dog couldn't get his head in there, which is a huge win in my book. The black finish on the stainless steel looks really sleek. It doesn't scream cat toilet when you walk into the room. Because it's so deep, I followed the suggestion to put about 20 pounds of litter in there. My cats loved it because they could actually bury their business deep, which is half the battle with odor control. The modular design is cool too. If your cat gets claustrophobic, you can pop the top off and use it as a semi-enclosed tray. I used the enclosed setup and the smell was virtually non-existent. It's like a little vault. It's 24 inches long, so even my long-bodied cat didn't feel cramped. The filter pedal at the front is wide and sturdy, making it easy for my older cat to step in without having to jump. If you have a multi-cat household or a dog you need to keep out of the litter, the Lobave is definitely the most versatile option I tested.
Product number 4. Amazon Basics No Mess Hooded Enclosed Litter Box. Now, I wanted to try a more traditional plastic option to see how it held up against the metal ones. The Amazon Basics box is surprisingly large for the price. It's made of a thick plastic that doesn't feel brittle. When I picked it up by the handle, the latches held firm, which is usually where these cheaper boxes fail. It has a swinging door, which is great for keeping odors trapped inside. One of my cats took a minute to figure it out, but once he did, it worked well. There's a carbon filter tucked into the top, and while it's not a miracle worker, it definitely took the edge off the smell during the first few days. It's very lightweight, so it's easy to move around if you're cleaning the room. However, since it is plastic, I did notice that after a week, it started to hold on to a bit of that litter smell, even after I emptied it. You'll definitely need to give this one a deep scrub more often than the stainless steel versions, but look, if you're on a tight budget and just need something that keeps the mess contained and gives your cat some privacy, this does the job perfectly fine. It's a straightforward, no-frills box that's way better than a basic open tray. It's the reliable, budget-friendly choice for someone who doesn't want to overthink it.
Product number 5. Tavila Extra Large Stainless Steel Litter Box. The Tavila feels like the pro version of a litter box. It's a 3-in-1 system, and the build quality is top tier. When I was snapping the lid on, I noticed how seamless the overlap is between the plastic top and the metal bottom. They really focused on making this leak-proof, and it shows. I didn't see any spray escaping even with my most chaotic digger. What sets this one apart for me is the 80L capacity. It's massive. I could put a ton of litter in there, which meant I wasn't refilling it nearly as often. It also comes with a carbon filter pack built into the lid. Between the non-porous stainless steel and the filter, this was probably the best performing box for total odor elimination. It also has a lockable latch, so if you have a curious toddler or a dog, you can keep them out for good. The kit includes a step board, which I found really helpful for my smaller cat. It bridges the gap between the floor and the entry point so they don't have to leap. It also comes with a scoop and a holder that actually stays attached to the side. If you have multiple cats and you're absolutely done with smells and tracking, the Tavila is the heavy hitter. It's a bit more of an investment, but for the peace of mind and the lack of odor, I think it's worth every penny.